start module 6, final review and more PHP. Yeah. So you can see we have two parts. The first part, review for the final. Yeah. The second part, still we will learn a few more features about PHP. We can use that to, solve 2 extra credit questions, programming questions, and also quiz 6. All right. First, part A, send HTML form data to PHP. So one basic topic. But for this part, we will have 3 videos. The first 2, I want to talk about a project question. Project 2, question number 3. I want to talk about that question first. For that question, I will use 2 videos. Video 8.1, I want to do the requirements for PR2 Q3. Requirements. Because some students ask me, what is the exact meaning of that question? So it looks like, still some of the details not quite clear, from, those students. So first, I want to explain the meaning. I want to show you. I will use my program to show you. So I wrote that yesterday. So I will show you my program. After you see my program, then you can understand easily, right? So that's for the first video. The second video, I want to talk about the techniques. So there are some techniques we need to use. But after you watch the first video, if you can do it by yourself, so not very hard. If you can do it by yourself, then you can try it. If you still feel pretty hard, you can watch my video number 2, 8.2. Because in that video, I described, several places you need to use some special techniques to solve that problem. All right, so let us start the first video. All right, so the first one, I want to start from an old example. So remember, in our module 3, part C. All right, so module 3, let me just write module 3C. Okay. In that part, we learned there is a JavaScript example called Alaska slides, right? So you can find the zip file. So I give you the zip file. In that zip file, I have a folder because I use 8 images to create a slideshow. Image slideshow. So you just use that example. And this one, we modify that example because that example uses a, very interesting JavaScript special way in JavaScript, set timeout. In that one, we set timeout. Set timeout. After certain number of seconds, so you can set that period. After certain number of seconds or milliseconds, So then the function is called. So that special feature, pretty interesting. So I want you to practice that feature another time. On our video player. So we did that video player, right? Example. So in our project 1 question 2, right? Yeah, video player. Yeah. But this one is a new question. So that one, that old question, so you already did it. And I grade it. Yeah. But this one, we add some features on top of that. Yeah. So we want to do some more practice. Yeah. In that sim video player, yeah. So video player, main playing area, some links connecting to the videos. Yeah. All right. So this time I want to add the feature. So your main video play area changing after a few seconds, just like the slideshow. The user does not need to do anything, but they can see the video changes one after another, rotation, right? Rotation, one after another, showing that new, different video. Yeah. So if a user likes the current video displayed, current in the view area, like that, click it and view it. If not, next one. Yeah. So that is the meaning, what I like you to do in this question. To help you understand better, so let me show you the program, the pages. Yeah, I want to show you the real thing so you can get better understanding. Yeah. All right. Okay, all right. So let me bring up the, so here, description, right? Yeah, but first I want to show you that Alaska slide. So look at this example. Image. Yeah. After every 3 seconds, you look at the next image. You do not need to do anything. So that, that's what I mean, the slideshow. Yeah. But now we want to do the same thing on our video players. How about that? So basically what we need to do, the same thing there. All right? Yeah. This page. Yeah, this is my page. Yeah. All right. Here I set every 4 seconds, you go to the next video. Okay? Yeah. Same functionality, but we work on different things. We work on the videos. Yeah. And another thing special for this example, so when the current video is displayed in the main area, the corresponding hyperlink part also highlighted in some way. Here I set the background color green. Yeah, so that's my way to set it. Yeah. So you, if you like, you can use your own way to set it. Yeah. But you need to tell the user, so this link, its video is displayed in the main area. That's it. Yeah. All right. And when the video is displayed, you can click it and play it. Let me, next one. All right. You click it and play it. Yeah. But here, there is a problem. You can see after I play it, then because that timeout function still not stop it. The timeout function is still, is called every 4 seconds. Yeah. Ideally, so for the ideal situation, I want when we play, we stop the timeout function. We stop it. Okay? And that's the ideal case. Yeah. But for this example, I do not require it. I do not require it. Okay? So if you can do this way, although click, it can play, but after a short time, a new one is replaces the old one. Yeah. All right. So now let me go to the here. Yeah. All right. So I want to talk about play. Yeah. So this time when you play, yeah, I need to, change the color. All right. Okay. Yeah. All right. So now when we click the play button, so when the video play, that time we do not stop the timeout function. The function is still called, yeah. But for our question, we just stop here. We do not need to fix it. The reason is we may not have the knowledge, or we may not have the, the technique to do that. Yeah. If you want to do that, you need to use more technology to do that. That can be done, yeah, because we want to put more control on our videos. When you click the play button, you want to stop the set timeout function. You want to stop it. Yeah. Later, you can recover it. Later, when you click hyperlink, you can call the set timer function another time. Yeah. But when you play, you should stop it. To do that, there is one special technology you need to know. So that's the YouTube API. YouTube API allows you to put more control on your videos. Yeah, so there is tutorial, so you can search, YouTube API, so you can find examples, tutorials. So you can put more controls on your videos. Okay. So that one, yeah. Yeah, but for this class, because we do not have that much time, I'll just let you know that that problem could be solved by this technique. If you want to try it, in the winter break time, you have more time, you want to try something interesting, so you can try this one. Yeah. You can study the YouTube API, then try to use it to modify this question to make it work in a better way. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. So let me stop this video requirement. Yeah. Next one, I will talk about techniques.